Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Maps and confirming location access so results match where you are. Enter the starting place, then type the destination, hit enter or tap search. Next, choose your transport mode, driving, walking, transit, or cycling, because each gives different routes and times. Once done, Maps displays suggested routes with estimated time and distance. Look at those at a glance and pick the route that balances time versus traffic, or that avoids highways if you prefer. You now refine the route to match your needs. Tap the route to expand turn-by-turn directions and to see mile-by-mile distances. Use the Options menu to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries, and toggle the traffic layer to see current congestion. If you have stops, add them in order. On desktop, drag the route to change it, while on mobile, pick an alternate suggested path. Also, make sure the departure time is correct. Leave now or schedule a future departure or arrival to get accurate timing. You start navigation and follow voice prompts and lane guidance. The ETA updates as traffic changes. If you miss a turn, Maps reroutes automatically. Give it a moment, then follow the new directions. Make sure to download offline maps before you travel if coverage might drop, because offline mode still provides guidance without live traffic. If Maps behaves oddly, enable GPS, update the app, clear cache, or restart your device. Those steps usually fix location or routing errors and get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.